What's going on, y'all? We're here at Valley of Fire National Park. We're about to do a couple miles here. Right now we're doing the White Dunes Trail. It's about a mile, so we're about to get it in.
Whoa, 6B music. Said no willing, no knows I try. Couldn't say I the man no cry. Where's Santa for waking me up today? Now it's up to me to go up there and make a way. And it's only just a matter of time. See, it's only just a matter of time. Till then you gotta stay up on the grind. Till then you gotta stay up on the grind. What can you do to stop a man from trying? Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? I said what can you do to stop a man from trying? To wonder, seeing if I not comply with the curveness of your body. I'm not even trying to see me on you, but I mean I don't want to come strong. My game attracts your beauty and it's you that I want. Girl flex, telling me what's next, trying to see what's good. Maybe send me a location with no hesitation. Girl can feel erection, I'm coming full force and that's how we do from the Bay. She loving me, she love me now. That's the game we playing on the spot. Baby, it's your court, I'm ballin' out of town. You my little sexy, always a butterline. You know the kind, yeah. She love me now, she loving me. Let me feel that boy, take you to ecstasy. Let's fulfill your nasty fantasy. Girl, you know me when I put in that OT. Girl, I'm putting that O. What can you do to stop a man from trying?
Finished White Dunes Trail. It was about a mile that we did. We could have kept going. It was about another mile before we finished, but we decided to take a detour. There was another trail on the path, so we decided to do Prospect Trail. It said it was about 11 miles, 5.5 there, 5.5 back. And I told y'all we were going to do a couple hikes, and I'm going to give it to you. Let's go.
Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? I said what can you do to stop a man from trying? Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? Said what can you do to stop a man from trying? I said what can you do to stop a man from trying?
So we just finished both hikes, the White Dunes Trail and the Prospect Trail. Lasted us about 6 hours total. The only reason it lasted us that long was because we were videotaping, enjoying the scenery, taking pictures, so we were stopping here and there. The hike was 12 miles total, 6 miles there, 6 miles back. We went to the White Dunes Trail first. It was about a mile. It led into the Prospect Trail, so we did both of them. So the hikes are located in Valley of Fire State Park. Costs $10 to get in if you want to do any of these hikes. There's about, I'd say, 10 hikes that they have posted, so it's $10 if you want to come. It's outside Vegas. It's about an hour outside of Vegas, so if you're in Vegas area, you want to do it, there you go. The scenery is incredible. It's crazy out here. The rocks look like that movie stuff that you see in movies. So that's it. About to head out. My next video is coming out in a couple weeks. Go ahead and stay tuned to that. If you liked it, comment, like, subscribe, and we're out.